In this video, we will talk about how to fix Ethernet connected, but no internet access in Windows 11. Method 1. Restart your router and PC. Turn off your router or modem. Wait for 60 seconds. Turn it back on. Restart your PC. Method 2. Disable and re-enable the Ethernet adapter. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type in cpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on Ethernet. Select Disable. Wait for 10 seconds. Then right-click and select Enable. Method 3. Reset network configurations and flushdns. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned all commands in description. From there, you can copy-paste in here. After running all commands, click on Start and restart your computer. Method 4. Reset network settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Click on Yes. Afterwards, restart your computer. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.